Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Resolve AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to register for a Resolve AI account on your computer, just open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address resolveai.co and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Resolve AI. And guys, to proceed from the Resolve AI sign up process from over here, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the sign up button available and a sign in button available for us. Let's click on the sign up for us like this, and after we click on the sign up we are over here on the registration page of the Resolve AI. So let's proceed by entering our credentials like our name on this empty box over here, and of that enter your email address with which you will be using the Resolve AI at future, and after that enter your password guys, and again retype your password over here to confirm your password or make sure you're using the same password. And while creating a password guys, do make sure to input a capital letter, some small letters, some special characters, and some numbers in order to make your password strong, and at least make it to 8 to 12 characters. And with that being said and done guys, after entering your credentials, click on the create account button available over here, and after that you will have signed up for a Resolve AI account, and a verification link will be sent to you on your email. Open your email, click on the verification link sent by the Resolve AI, and after that you will be able to use the Resolve AI for a time being with all of the services. And with that being said guys, this is how you create an account on Resolve AI. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.